In 2023, Whitney Tilson told investors that he found a stock that could generate a cool 1,000% return. To create even more hype, he called this the Great American 10 times reset stock. But as usual, he didn't tell viewers the name of this stock until they pulled out their credit cards and bought his newsletter. But don't worry, I have good news. I figured out which stock he was talking about, and I'll tell you for free in this video. On top of that, I'll also show you how this stock performed more than a year after being recommended, so you can decide for yourself how much you trust Tilson's recommendations. The stock Whitney was recommending is called Tellurian. Tellurian is an American natural gas company that's focused on developing and producing liquefied natural gas, abbreviated as LNG. Founded in 2016 by industry veterans Sharif Suki and Martin Houston, Tellurian aims to become a major player in the global LNG market. The company is currently working on its flagship project, the Driftwood LNG terminal in Louisiana, which is designed to produce and export liquefied natural gas to international markets. Financially, Tellurian has seen periods of significant growth and volatility, typical for companies in the energy sector. Their stock performance reflects these fluctuations, with investors closely watching the progress of the Driftwood project and the overall dynamics of the liquefied natural gas market. Investing in Tellurian offers a few advantages. The company's focus on LNG is in line with demand, since there is a growing global demand for cleaner energy sources globally. Also, natural gas is seen as a bridge fuel in the transition from coal to renewable energy, and liquefied natural gas in particular is in high demand in regions like Asia and Europe. Tellurian's leadership team, with their extensive experience in the liquefied natural gas industry, brings credibility and a strategic vision to the company. Additionally, the Driftwood project, once operational, is expected to significantly boost Tellurian's revenue and market position, providing strong growth potential for investors looking to capitalize on the expanding liquefied natural gas market. However, there are risks associated with investing in Tellurian. The LNG industry is highly capital-intensive, requiring significant upfront investment and long development timelines. Also, the energy market is subject to volatile price fluctuations, regulatory changes, and geopolitical risks, all of which can affect Tellurian's operations and profitability. While the demand for liquefied natural gas is expected to grow, competition from other liquefied natural gas producers and alternative energy sources could pose challenges. And perhaps the most important factor is that delays or cost overruns in the Driftwood project could negatively impact the company's financial health and stock performance. I'll give you a 2024 update on the Driftwood project in just a minute. But first, let's look at how the stock has performed since it was first recommended. If we go back to August 2022, which is the first time Whitney teased Tellurian was trading at $4. However, by July 2024, the price dropped all the way down to only 91 cents. This represents an 80% loss. As you can see, this is a risky stock because Tellurian isn't a large company and will need to invest tens of billions of dollars to complete the Driftwood project. In May 2024, they released a report in which they tried to sugarcoat their failure to complete the Driftwood project. Basically, this project has been delayed, and they hope to complete it by 2029. And if that wasn't bad enough, their financials haven't improved either. I guess that's not surprising, given the pathetic stock market performance. As you can see, Tellurian's natural gas revenues dropped to $25.5 million in the first quarter of 2024, from $50.9 million in the same period of 2023 due to lower gas prices and production. As a result, they reported a net loss of $44.0 million for Q1 2024, compared to a net loss of $27.5 million in Q1 2023. By March 31, 2024, Tellurian had total assets of only about $1.3 billion, including $51.8 million in cash and cash equivalents. Overall, investing in a company like Tellurian carries a lot of risk, so it's crucial for investors to carefully assess these risks, conduct due diligence, and consider their own investment objectives and risk tolerance before making investment decisions. Now, if you found this video valuable and you want to diversify your investments beyond traditional stocks and bonds, I have just the thing for you. Even though I believe that investing in a low-cost index fund is the best long-term investment for the average Joe, the benefits of solid physical gold are hard to deny. I think of physical gold as insurance against unpredictable times, and I'm not the only one. In 2023, central banks added over 1,000 tons of gold to their reserves, the second highest annual purchase in American history. And in 2024, Central Bank got another 290 tons of gold in just the first 3 months of the year. If the biggest banks in the world are buying tons of gold, I'm sure there's a good reason for it. I found a company that allows ordinary Americans to own and securely store physical bars of gold as part of their IRA account. The best part is that they're giving away a free guide to teach you all about investing in solid physical gold. If you want to learn more about how gold can protect your retirement savings, just click the link in the description to receive a completely free gold IRA guide.